Ltmg 2.5-ton backhoe loader. New air-conditioned cab design with more space for improved comfort and visibility. Adopting hydraulic pilot system, easy and effortless to maneuver. Using 6-in-1 bucket, you can choose different attachments to adapt to different working conditions. Cylinder pull-up design to avoid the operation of the cylinder caused by knocking. Using branded engines, superior performance, excellent energy-saving efficiency, low maintenance cost. Fixed shaft power transmission for unilateral braking of 2 or 4 wheels and autonomous switching between 2 and 4-wheel drive.